Welcome back. In this video, we will explore the flex basis property in React Native. The flex basis property determines the initial size of a flex item before any extra space in the container is distributed. It serves as an alternative to using the height and width properties in flex layouts. Let's understand better with the UI. By default, flex items have an initial height based on the box model. As you can see, the item's height depends on the content's size and padding in the vertical direction. But what if you want a specific item to be taller intentionally? Well, for such cases, you can use the flex basis property. In our JSX, for box 3, let's set flex basis 140. Now, when we take a look at the UI, you can see box 3 appears twice as tall as the other boxes. Now you might be wondering, why not just use the height property to set the initial height? Let's try adding height 140 to box 4 and take a look at the UI. As you can see, the result is pretty much the same. However, there is a crucial difference that you need to take note of. Suppose we want both box 3 and box 4 to take up the available space in the container. We've learned how to do that, which is adding flex with a value of 1. If we save the file and take a look at the UI, you will notice that box 3 is taller than box 4. This is because the available space is distributed proportionally with respect to the flex basis, but not the height property. It's also worth noting that flex basis sets the initial width of an item if the parent container flex direction is row instead of column. You can say the flex basis property is used to set the initial size of a flex item. Alright, thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.